In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher error code ISEO failed op start. If you're seeing this message while installing or launching Epic Games, follow these steps in order. Let's get started. The first thing we'll try is repairing the Microsoft .NET framework, since a damaged or incomplete installation can sometimes cause launcher errors. Open Windows Search and type Control Panel, then open it. Make sure the view is set to large icons or small icons, then select Programs and Features. On the left side, click Turn Windows Features on or off. Look for the installed .NET Framework feature. If you see the latest .NET Framework option available, temporarily uncheck it and click OK. Windows will remove the selected component. Once that's finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open your browser and search for the official Microsoft .NET Framework download page. Download the latest supported .NET Framework runtime installer and run it. Follow the installation instructions and allow the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer again. Now try opening Epic Games Launcher. If you're still getting the same error, the next solution is to create a new Windows user account. Open Settings, select Accounts, then go to Other Users. Click Add Account. When Windows asks for a Microsoft account, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username and password, then complete the security questions and click Next. Once the account has been created, select it and choose Change Account Type. Set the account type to Administrator and click OK. Now sign in to the new Windows account and try launching Epic Games Launcher again. If the launcher still doesn't work, the final solution is to repair Windows system files using SFC and DISM. Open Windows Search and type CMB. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. First, run the System File Checker command, SFC/scan now. Press Enter and wait for the scan to reach 100%. Once it finishes, run the DISM repair command, DISM/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Press Enter and allow the process to complete. This can take some time, so don't close the command prompt while it's running. When both commands are finished, restart your computer. After restarting, try opening Epic Games Launcher again. These solutions cover several common causes of the EO failed to start error, including damaged .NET components, Windows account problems, and corrupted system files. Hopefully, one of these steps gets Epic Games Launcher working again. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.